Today I'm going to show you how cheddar cheese is made in a factory. The largest cheddar cheese factory in the world is located in Wisconsin, USA. This factory produces over 1 million pounds of cheddar cheese daily. To make this amount of cheese, they need 2 million pounds of milk daily. That's 900,000 kilos of milk. To make cheddar cheese, you need milk from at least 2 different cows, one for the whey protein and one for the casein protein. The milk is stored in huge stainless steel vats. These vats are capable of holding 20,000 pounds or 9,000 kilos of milk each. The first step in making cheddar cheese is to heat the milk to 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius. Once the milk is heated, starter culture is added. This is a mixture of bacteria that will convert the milk into cheese. The starter culture is added to the milk in very precise amounts. If there is too much or too little, the cheese will not form properly. After the starter culture is added, the milk is allowed to sit for 45 minutes. During this time, the bacteria will start to convert the milk into cheese. The milk will also be stirred constantly during this process. Once the milk has been converted to cheese, it is ready to be cut. The cheese is cut into small cubes. These cubes are then put into molds. The molds are then pressed to remove any excess cheese. The cheese is allowed to sit in the molds for several hours. During this time, the cheese will continue to harden. Once the cheese has hardened, it is removed from the molds and it is now ready to be aged. The cheese is placed in a special aging room. This room is kept at a constant temperature and humidity. The cheese is aged for at least 3 months, but can be aged for up to 2 years. During this time, the cheese will develop its flavor and texture. Once the cheese has reached the desired flavor and texture, it is ready to be packaged and shipped to stores all around the world. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos about food production. Thank you for watching. See you next time.